Namaste. Are you one of those academic visionaries that is striving to create social change? At Rishihood University, we are looking for impact-oriented faculty members, particularly in computer science and AI. Very often, when I interview faculty members of various institutions, I come to know that either they are very strongly driven towards teaching and pedagogical innovation, but they are stuck with a very big research mandate that is not very appealing to them, or they are very research oriented and would not like to spend too much time in the classroom teaching, but they are stuck with the teaching load. At Rishihood, we have a very unique, customized impact track for faculty. So it's a combination of teaching, research, and real world problem solving. You get to collaborate with institutions of global repute, research institutions, government institutions, industry, so that you can create your own career track at Rishihood that is oriented towards creating impact. You will be given grants when you join Rishihood so that you could pursue your ideas that drive your passions. Startup ideas, research ideas, if you would like to set up a lab, if you would like to collaborate globally and pursue a moonshot idea, all those things are supported at Rishihood University, including getting a sabbatical of 6 months every 3 years. But to do all this, you also need very good mentors. So we have empaneled global experts in computer science and AI, both from the industry and academia, who will be guiding you towards developing your career at Rishihood University. Along with this, many other opportunities to work with other colleagues of similar mindset at Rishihood are available to pursue and collaborate and develop very unique problem statements that you would want to work on, many unique ways of designing a new curriculum and offering it to our learners. So we welcome you to Rishihood University. Participate in this nation building effort that we are all on. Be a part of the Rishihood community that is all motivated towards real world problem solving, tackling moonshot ideas, bringing pedagogical innovation, great classroom learning, and at the top of it all, great careers for all of you. Looking forward to looking at your application. Thank you.